की खूबर का बातें सी टीवी रखे का फ्रैंक यामाहा खटन रियो स्नैम या जिंग शक्री के जोंका बदन आयस ngो भाषा बारो की नोंग थी थुक थुक रिंगकट का कबुक शेयर बन लोंग की नोंग जॉब या संतली की लैपटॉप कने का ऑफर कन कोट हाका लाइफ होतरी उनाई लुर 8000 आर पुसाव
Haga jingrakhe ke National Blood Day hakari India Brockway ketanat Pulit jong Ribhoi district ru klarakhe yakani ke sngi da ka ai mon sngoba yala ka jong Snam haga blood center kemudian hanong po civil hospital hak shitrik urasau aratar phosau yakani ke jingai ai Snam Lamkhmat the superintendent of police jong Ribhoi district ujak pa sing dhanwa haga blai shimben talang da ki officer Pulit kinthop ki Pulit constable khamun pelat im yakmin si makodor bagidan kam kerke yak Snam.
Yeah, today we came for this blood donation. I really feel good, and it's a very noble cause. Everybody should give blood donation, and I used to give every year, once in a year. Our honorable SP sir also came. He have donated the blood. Oshi Nongpo sir also came to donate blood. Me and so many of our police personnel all they came for this noble cause. We are very happy that they have given this opportunity to donate blood, and I'll try to give next year also. Okay, thank you.
Good afternoon. Today is the National Blood Donation Day, and then our SP sir, Ribhoi SP sir, has taken the initiative to donate blood today. We have all from our district. We have all come to Civil Hospital Nongpo to donate blood, and SP sir himself also has donated, and other senior officers, and we are here. Still, some of our staff are still inside. They are donating blood, and I would like to request everyone, including our police personnel, that the blood donation is a noble job, noble cause. This is for to save someone's life is a good thing, and everyone should come forward and donate blood. And we need some awareness amongst us also for this blood donation, because there are apprehensions from police side and civilians also that donating blood may harm that person or something like that. So there are people who still fear to donate blood, but I urge everyone that we should come forward and donate blood to save a life. Thank you.